Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another Polybag, and this one is the Lego Polybag 30498, and it's the Imperial AT hauler from the Solo movie. Anyway, if you like this kind of video and you enjoy these Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications and whatnot, because I plan on doing one of these one a day for the foreseeable future. So anyway, if you turn on notifications and stuff, YouTube will keep you updated. Also, I've included links in the description if you want to find this particular Polybag to build along with me on Amazon and on Bricklink. And there's also a link to the brick set page for this if you just want general information about it. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Okay, 1 and 2, and like so. Got that. And now got a 1x6 and another 1x6, and put this right here. That. And then a couple of white 1x6s. Yeah, that is a 1x6. Alright, here's one. And number 2. What is this anyway? This is a 1x8, I guess. Yeah, it's 1x8. Alright, so we got that. And this goes across the top right there. Like so. Alright, and the next thing we gotta do is we got to put together 2 of that thing. So we need that, and this, and this. So this thing flips in right here, like so, and then this goes over the end. So we got that. So that looks right. Alright. Looks right to y'all? Okay. So we need one of these. And one of these. And then this one clips in here. Like so. And this goes on the end. There we go. So we got 2 of those, and these go on either side. One here, and one over here. So we're sitting in that. And then next, this goes on top to hold everything in place. And this one goes here. And this one goes right here. So we got that. And do I do it on both sides? Or just one side? Alright, so we got that. This goes here, and here, and here, and here, and we have 2 facing that way. This goes right here. And we got 2 facing up. Well, pointing up. I don't know if you call it facing up or facing down or what. But like that. Alright, so we're sitting like that. And then next, we're going to have this. And these are going to be facing upward, like so. There. And here. So we got that. And this clips to the front like this. Alright. This is kind of looking like a cool microchip so far. Alright. So onward. Okay, so we gotta build some wings. So we got this, and this, and this. So this goes here, like so. And this one clips like that. So that's sticking off. And then a little clip facing downward, like so. Now this will go right here. Goes right there. Maybe it goes right there. Alright, like so right there. Like so. And so we repeat on the other side. This goes there. And this goes on here. And then we have the clip facing down. And this one goes on this side. Alright. So it's looking more and more like a ship so far. So we got that. Now, next we gotta build this wing thing right here. So, start with this. Have two of these in the middle. Like so. And like so. And then like here. And here. Like so. And then these attach like this. Like that. And the last thing we do is we clip this to here. So we want it so it's like that. This one goes right here. And this one goes right here. Yeah, I put it in the wrong way. Put it in backwards. So this is facing like this, so this needs to go inward, like that. It's kind of interesting. So this moves in. You can move this in here and here. Kind of an interesting little ship. Not too bad. I'm not crazy about this wing. Oops. I'm not super crazy about the wing attachment. It feels like the wings are too jiggly. Anyway. Not bad, though. Seems like there might be some potential in there. I like the way parts of it look for sure. Anyway, let me know what you think. Aside from... So do you feel like terrible sadness at the Solo movie? Or joy? Or do you regret the fact that they didn't just remake the Han Solo trilogy books? I kind of was sad they didn't just remake the Han Solo trilogy books. Anyway, there were books. There was a Han Solo trilogy from back in the day. It was actually pretty good reading. I mean, it wasn't like super literature or anything, but it wasn't bad. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if there are any polybags you think I should take a look at, let me know in the comments. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.